Hi all. In this video we'll see how to start with R software. So first you can open the R Studio. Okay. This R Studio, this four sections we have. This um, this section is called a rough note. You can keep your notes, codes R codes you can save here, right? And this particular part is about the data set. Whatever the data set you are importing, that will come here this side. Okay. And then this part is called a console. This is called console. Console where you actually give your comments or commands. Okay, this is where your commands, whatever the program commands of R, will be executed here in the console box, right? And coming to this box, this consists of first of all files, then plots, then packages, then if you want some help you can go on help here, and some viewer options. Okay, so files is nothing but you have whatever the file you are working with, like we say in computer language, the working directory. Okay, where which file you want to save, whatever the data you want to work and save, that will be saved in this particular file. That you can change here. You can set your working directory wherever you want. Okay, so set as working directory, you can set this as, and if you click on go to working directory, it will go here. Then you can go back and change your data sets. Okay, it is basically like a home page. In internet browser we keep some home page, right? Whenever we want to open the browser, the default home page comes, it's like that, a default working directory. Okay, that is this part. Plots, when you plot something here, that will be displayed in this box. And coming to the packages, these packages are very important. You can see here there are a lot of packages. I'll while learning the R, different R packages, we'll learn what is actually mean by packages. You can have understanding that for example, say if you want to generate a word cloud, there is a package called word cloud. Okay, there is a package called word cloud, like that, for different application, different packages we can install from this packages box. Okay, only thing is you need to have the internet connection on, and then you can directly install from this installation option. Okay, this is all about R. Then in the next video we'll see how to start with the data import, etc. Right? Thank you.